Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th till 13th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, um, let's see now. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Pisceans for the coming week from September 7 till September 13. Please, for my Pisceans. Oh. Okay. So two of cups in your overall energies right now. Okay, so this is the present situation. It's like the soulmate connection with someone, but the issue is three of swords. So not a contradictory, it's like it's like the ending of a soulmate connection. It's like the goodbye of that thing. The issue is that there is no contact, there is like a heartbreak over here, in some kind of basically a separation from a beautiful partnership, a soulmate connection. Okay, your focus right now is the wheel. It's like the change, you want the change in your life, you want everything to just get balanced the way you always want it. Your past energies are 10 of wands. It's like a lot of pressure, you have built a lot of pressure, a lot of burden for someone or something which you have already dealt with in your past. There was a lot of heaviness in your heart with someone. The lovers in the base of the reading. Okay, so the whole scenario over here is about love situation, might be a beautiful partnership or something, decisions being made, so something like that. The star in your future energies. So this is telling me that there's a hope, you really want someone, you want a situation to just happen the way gods want them. So there is a hope, a beautiful hope I can see. Like, you are just see how beautifully this girl is waiting. She is actually looking at the sky above, and she is hoping for good things to happen in her life. Okay, that happy endings kind of a thing. How you are feeling right now, 5 of cups, you are feeling sad, you are feeling it's like a lot of regrets inside you, a lot of sadness, and you might be crying as well. So this is some kind of a sadness in you, and you just, there's guilt, regrets, you would say, that kind of thing. How people see you as the 4 of pentacles, people see you as someone who is very stubborn in nature, who is like you, who cannot change. Really, this person, this 4 of pentacles kind of a person cannot change at all. This is how they see you. Okay, 2 of wands in the hopes and fears. So this is a fear that if you will lose, if you will choose one, you will lose the another thing. So that is why you are fearing that you have 2 things in front of you and you are afraid to lose one. So your decision. Page of pentacles in your outcome. It's a new way of expressing, or new way of starting a new life. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see why the 2 of cups is here. 2 of cups, please. Alright, so with the Queen of Swords, I am getting that Queen of Swords with the 2 of cups, it's like some kind of a truth being which was hidden. It has come up in the on the surface, and somebody said a strict no, because this person is like no, no means no, and she is all about this. Queen of Swords is all about that I want the truth. Whatever the truth is, I want the truth. I just don't entertain the, she doesn't entertain the bad people, or she just don't entertain those people who just speak good, and she knows the truth. Because so that is why she just cuts people off when she will not get the truth. Let's see the three of hearts over here, sorry, three of swords, the strength, and the five of pentacles. There is a separation, no contact with someone, because someone is really ready to focus on himself or herself right now. So all the focus is on yourself. It's about the self love, and that is why there is like a lost in connection. Let's see the wheel over here in your, okay, okay, so your focus is the wheel with Knight of Cups, Three of Cups, and Ten of Cups. So it's like love, love, and love. So you are ready to propose someone. Okay, so it's like all you are ready to say your feelings, your heart out for someone. Might be a third party relationship over here. Three people might be involved, or might be just a family member in your life, but three people are actually involved. So you have to say, so this is a passion, this is the playboy card of the deck, okay, with the Knight of Cups. So it's like you have two options and you have to decide which one to go towards. This is the playboy, the Casanova card. So this is how he feels. He just go and he comes back. The feelings are not real, okay. And with the Three of Cups over here, it's like there are two people, and let's just toss a coin, and let's see if heads this person, if tails this person. So you are doing that kind of a thing, and that is why you are just focusing that whichever person you will propose, or you will say yes to, or whosoever says yes, you will marry that person or not. So does not has to be only you, it might be the other person as well, because this is the focus of the reading, okay. This is like the things which the actual scenario, so does not has to be only you. Let's see the Ten of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Eight of Wands. So there was a big change in your life, because all the heaviness, so you had a lot of heaviness with someone over here, and you have dealt with the Wheel of Fortune. The wheel was turned, the heaviness was ended because of the communication which happened. So everything was ended, and it was in a good note. Let's see the Lovers over here. And the base of the reading. What is the base of the reading? Okay, so Ace of Cups with Queen of Pentacles and King of Swords. A new refreshment, basically a new love. Somebody is offering you the cup of love. So the whole scenario over here is someone is ready for offering. Might be you, or might be someone else is ready for a new beautiful beginning over here. With the Queen of Pentacles, might be Capricorn, does not has to be. It's like a person with whom you can share everything, a very mature person, a very independent, who is also working with her coins, working with herself, and very beautiful kind of a person, okay. So this is really that, but the things are that whatever, so this might be you, might be someone else over here, because somebody is actually wanting to share the feelings, to give the love to someone, but someone is continuously saying no towards you, or might be you towards them. So this is a no from someone's side, and it's like someone is not thinking from the heart, it's all about the mind. Someone is actually thinking about the practical, practicality of the situation. That is why the no is here. The star in the future, let's see. Four of Cups with the Ten of Swords. So a rejection over here, an ending which is actually coming to an end. Might be the hope is coming to an end, because the day someone will actually decide something, okay? If it's you, so you really have to decide an option. If there are two things, if there are two options in front of you, you have to decide one thing at a time. And then the way, if you will actually decide one thing, so the other thing will actually end, and you will say no to that thing, and you will end that thing if you will decide. And if you will not decide, the things will just go the same way they are going. And when you will decide, one thing will be ended, and with the other thing you are going to take. See, with this King of Cups and the Six of Pentacles, a very beautiful energy. It's like going in long-term relationship, balancing the love both ways, okay? Love both ways. That is what it is coming. Okay, so let's see, why is the Two of Wands in the hopes and fears for my Pisces, please? Two of Wands. Oh my god, so many cards. The Chariot with the Seven of Pentacles. It's a very contradictory energy. It's like that one person really wants to move on fast, and one wants to take some time, and in the middle it's you. Okay, it's you who are just waiting to do what to do, who's waiting, oh, what should I go, where should I go towards. So that is why you are fearing a lot. You're hoping to find an answer, but still afraid that when the answer will come, what will you do? Okay, sorry. Let's see why this Page of Pentacles in the final outcome. What is the final outcome for my Pisces, please? Four of Pentacles, Nine of Rods, Swords, and the Hierophant. Okay, so it's you over here. You are actually wanting to start a new life, basically a new slow life, okay? When you start learning new things, when you start to learn the life, when you start to learn the aspects of life. So this is that beautiful energy with the Page of Pentacles. But there is something, it's like a stubbornness, I would say, that like holding on with the past or someone from the past. Okay, it's like still holding on to the situation, still thinking about someone during nights, and it's really that kind of a marriage situation with the Hierophant over here. It's like just moving, it's going with the flow kind of an energy. When you have to decide, and you know that, but you leave it all on God. And that is why this person is actually pointing upwards. Okay, so it's like everything is up to him, everything is up to the God. So you are thinking that, and you are still holding on. In your future, in your outcome energy, it's like holding on towards a particular person or particular situation, and not moving beyond that point. No. Okay, so that's all, Pisces. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.